So people who are in direct selling business, I would say only one thing, that you should keep doing the direct selling. And I would say that now this is the time where you have to change your way of working. I mean, till now we all are working in a different companies, but this is the time of entrepreneurship. This is the time of startups. So I strongly advise that people should start, if they have a little leadership quality in their self, then they should start their own network marketing company, own direct selling company, if they have a good network. Because see, eventually the network concept is something which cannot grow in only depth or only width, which is something which should grow in a square, right? The matrix of network marketing direct selling concept is something which cannot grow only in depth and width. So we need more companies and more network as well, right? So how we can create that? So every single person who is a leader, who have a team 100, 200, 500,000, 2,000, 5,000 or more, they should start their company, their own company, with small amount of investment, a good software, a good products, and a good team and good vision, right? So if they can start their own company, what will happen, that eventually they will be working in their own area and with the limited network, right? And that's how we can create so many companies. That startup should not grow so big, right? They should focus that yes, we have this product, we have this area, and we will target 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 25,000, 50,000 customers. That is fine. We will grow slowly and let this environment grow, right? Let this environment grow of building a multiple network marketing companies. Let me give an example. I have a domain called 10,000mlm.com. So what I was thinking about MLM, that there should be minimum 10,000 companies in next 5 years down the line, before 2025, right? So that those 10,000 companies will manage a small group of network for the different products, and they all can join all different companies. So might be possible that every single person join 3 companies or 5 companies or 10 companies. So that is good. That is actually a good way, and that is actually a right way to do network marketing and direct selling. Because network marketing concept, if you will learn deeply, then it is a concept of 13 levels, 14 levels hardly. If you change the plan, it is a 15 or 16 or 20 levels. So what after that, right? So if we have a multiple network marketing company, if we have a multiple good leaders, then they will manage a small companies with small networks, and that's how we can create an employment, right? One company cannot provide a jobs or networking platform to billions of people. Yes, it is open always, but everybody have a different mindset. Everybody have a different expectations. They might looking for the health products, somebody is looking for the personal care, or somebody is looking for the skin care, or somebody is looking for the garment, or somebody is looking for the accessories. So you cannot provide each and every single products to every single person, right? But multiple companies can do this, and which is the good side of this, right? So why don't we focus on creating and building more network marketing company and more leaders and more entrepreneurs who can lead multiple network marketing companies and provide an employment? Because we all know the network marketing industry is the only industry. I mean, there are more too. The manufacturing is there, startup is there, but the network marketing is a industry which has a core concept of providing an employment, right? So if we will follow this path, then we can definitely grow massively across the country, across the India, and around the world. But we need this mindset. We have to create multiple leaders, multiple entrepreneurs who strongly believe in direct selling industry, right? So that is the only way I believe that we can solve this great problem of employment. Otherwise, I don't think so that we have enough corporates or enough companies. Yes, there are enough corporates, enough companies, but the matching is not in a good balance. People have education, then they don't have a job. People don't have education, they also don't have a job. So there are problems in both the ways, right? Even after lockdown and this pandemic, we are in a huge critical time. Just of employment, I believe that still we will survive. We know that this is the time and this shall to pass, right? But I believe that we together we can change this. Together we can definitely create a great environment of direct selling, where we all can work together in the different companies, with the different products, and still we will in the win-win game, right? So that is the only way I personally believe that through that, or through which we can solve this big problem, this big challenge of our countries, because we are biggest democracy, one of the biggest democracy. We are almost 1.35 or 4 billion people. So it is not easy to provide employment to 140 crore people, right? And it is a serious challenge. Why people are not talking about it, or why people are not seriously working on it, I am still surprised. But eventually down the line, after 5 years or 10 years, if you will not work on this, you will definitely see the effects in the world. Yeah, maybe crime rates will increase, maybe suicide rates will increase. So there are consequences of every single actions, right? If you will not take the actions, even there is also consequences. So I strongly suggest that even government should, and all the entrepreneurs should, and all the companies also should follow these steps of creating multiple companies and multiple entrepreneurs of direct selling. And that's the only way in direct selling to create more and more employment and solve this problem.